You should be prepared for an unexpected spill or a release of manure. Always have a spill prevention kit handy when you're spreading in the field or hauling manure over the road. The kit we are describing in this video can be found in your online curriculum with the link In-Cab Spill Prevention Kit. This kit should go with you when you drive to the application site. Also in the curriculum is a more elaborate in-office spill prevention kit, which every spreading group should have assembled in a central location and ready to spring into action. First of all is the cell phone. You'll keep this on your body, but make sure it's fully charged. Next is a list of important numbers, people you'll call in case of emergency. A folding shovel is important to move soil around to stop the spread and seal off barriers. You may carry a knife on your body, but it's also good to have an extra just in case you have to cut cords and plastic. A bag of rags is handy to stop leaks and clean dirt off reflectors. Perhaps most important is 6 mil or larger plastic sheeting. With that, and a roll of the handyman's friend, duct tape, you can seal off a culvert and avert disaster. Keep all of these items together and close to you as you head out. Now you're ready to face any challenge while spreading manure.